Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into the right account, good. Open Google Contacts in a desktop browser so you get the full restore tool. Once there, make an immediate export. Choose Contacts Export and save CSV or vCard to your computer. This creates a snapshot you can revert to if something goes wrong. Make sure sync is active on your phone so deletions or restores propagate. If sync is off, enable it in settings. Now you're ready to access the restore history and recovery options. Open Settings in Google Contacts and pick Undo Changes. This lets you roll your entire contacts list back up to 30 days. Choose the time frame that matches when the loss happened, 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, 1 week, or a custom date, and confirm. Once restored, don't stop. Use Merge and Fix to detect duplicates and clean inconsistencies, because restoration can create duplicates or versioned entries. If some contact's still missing, export the restored set and compare timestamps, or use a previously saved vCard to import missing records. If undo changes didn't recover everything, create a Google Takeout export of contacts to get raw data you can inspect offline. This helps find older versions. Also check other synced accounts, Gmail, iCloud, Exchange, for copies that may not have merged. If changes don't appear on your device, re-enable Contacts Sync, clear the Contacts app cache/data on Android, and force a manual sync. If problems persist, import the Takeout vCard into Contacts and then run merge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.